sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Subaru XV Crosstrek. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Subaru infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.